All right, it's week 2. This is Red. Oh my God. Red, stop. Stop. She looks terrible. All of my chickens do, honestly. Let's see if I can do it. See? Yeah, see, it's okay. As you can tell, she's changed quite a bit. This is Karen. Stop. She's looking pretty rough. Stop. Relax. As you can see, they're very fluffy right now. This is Hey Hey at 2 weeks. Hey Hey, stop. Relax. Relax. See? She's very fluffy. Hey Hey, stop. Relax. Holy crap. She likes to be king of the rock at the moment. Hey Hey, relax. Very fluffy. Last but not least, HB. You can see she's very fluffy. All of her colors are coming in. And I'm losing some of the colors. Oh, it's okay, HB. I know. So that's all. That's week 2. Oh, some feathers are falling off already.